The Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G will be launching in India this month. It will come with the air gesture feature. The revelation came straight from Realme's India's branch, which said that the air gestures feature will enable Narzo 70 Pro 5G users to navigate certain phone features without physical contact. Air gesture should come in handy for the users when touching a phone isn't inconvenient, such as when their hands are wet, dry, or they have to make meals. Realme says they support 10 plus gesture types, and the gesture control will be available in third-party apps, including video-related apps where the air gesture will allow users to use the thumbs to like a video or use OK gesture to add a video to their favorite list. Realme previously confirmed that the Narzo 70 Pro 5G will sport a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 camera on the back with OIS, and teasers reveal it will come with a centered punch hole display, a 3.5 headphone jack, and a circular camera island. It'll consist of 65% fewer pre-installed apps likely compared to all Realme smartphones. They might launch it on the March 6th along with the Realme 12 Plus 5G and Realme 12 5G launch event in India. This is nothing new. It was introduced by Samsung Galaxy S4 first, and that time nobody liked these features, and then it was removed. Then LG tried the same, then Google tried the same, they stopped it. But now it seems Honor, and with the new AI revolution going on, more and more companies are bringing back these features.